Let's talk about what to wear in Italy or anywhere in Europe. On my website, liketk.it, there is a new detailed post about Italy vacation outfits and what to wear in Italy. I'll do a whole series about Italy vacation outfits, but first let's start with what I wore. Because I brought just a carry-on and I always try to pack pretty light in general, I try to bring a mixture of neutrals and then also kind of like fun pop of color outfits because the Amalfi Coast is beautiful and I want fun outfits. The benefit of the black or more neutral color outfits is that you can wear them over and over and over again, and it's not obvious that you're doing so, whereas if I wore that, 5 different times, it would be very obvious. One fun pop of color outfit that I brought is this two-piece set from Lulu's. I love two-piece sets, especially for Italy. I think they're so chic looking. It comes in, I think, 8 or 9 different colors. There's also a 2-strap option that I own, and I also brought in a green color. They're very cute. They're very easy to throw on, very comfortable, flattering. This jumpsuit is from Windsor. It's only $34. It's so comfortable. You can wear the top a few different ways. You can definitely get away with wearing it more than once. I packed and always pack and always wear a lot of different Reformation dresses. They are my favorite. This Reformation dress in particular, I absolutely love. I wore it a million different times during our trip. I wear it a million times while at home too. I actually wore it for Easter brunch yesterday and I got so many questions about it. It's definitely pricey, but it's an amazing staple to have. It's so flattering. It's also super versatile because you can wear it for the day as I am here, or you can wear it at night and you can dress it up. This two-piece set is also from Lulu's. I own it in every single color that they sell. I brought it in white to Europe. It's such a fantastic option. It's so cute. And the pants you can wear with other tops that you bring. You could actually wear the top with other bottoms that you bring as well. This Abercrombie skirt I brought because it goes with everything. I also brought this Amazon top that's so inexpensive and so cute. I also brought this top from Amazon. These Abercrombie shorts are some of my favorite shorts that I've ever bought. I'm running out of time. Let me know if you want a part 2. To see the full blog post with tons of other suggestions, go to my profile and click this link, ckanani.com/TikTok, and click on this Italy vacation outfits link. Now I'll give you links to everything that I wore, plus a million other suggestions about what you should pack for your Europe trip. I hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more packing tips, and let me know if you want a part 2.